Well, good evening, Southeast Texas. A cold front has pushed through the area. Rain's ending from the west, and we'll see some drier, cooler weather the next few days. A cooling trend as we head toward the weekend. Now, very interesting. We've been setting a lot of records, it seems like lately, and not the type of records we should be setting this time of year in the middle of the winter in January. But this morning, they dropped down to 70, or I should say rising to 70. That's what temperatures actually did, was risen overnight to 70. That is the new record warmest low temperature for the state going back to 2017. Now let's go back to 1930, all-time coldest January on this date, down to 11 degrees, one of the coldest temperatures ever recorded in Southeast Texas. And on top of that, what about today? Might not break another one or tie one, out up to 81, and that ties a record going all the way back to 1906. But that's about it for the warm weather, as we'll head into Saturday with much cooler temperatures and a pretty good chance of rain. In fact, we continue with that gumbo weather warning coming up for Saturday because it's an indoor day. We're talking temperatures in the 50s, rain falling, light to moderate rain, chilly, east-northeast winds. Could see as much as an inch of rain in a few areas. So just kind of one of those miserable days. In fact, that rain coverage up to 90%. Then we get a break, and it's back up to 80% again by Tuesday. So it's one system after another coming in from the west. We've been talking about this for weeks and weeks, it seems like. When is this track going to continue off the Pacific? And there goes system number one that gave us the scattered showers and a few thunderstorms today and tonight with our cold front. Here comes the next one for Saturday. Disturbances coming in. We'll get another break, and then here comes another one, even stronger, for Tuesday of next week. So every 3 or 4 days, we're getting these good chances of rain in the forecast. Now, the good news, I guess, for Zenny, for Saturday and Tuesday's event, no severe weather is expected. There's going to be a lot of cool temperatures at the surface, mainly just chilly and wet. Futurecast improving tonight. Will actually clear out throughout the night. Falling temperatures behind the front. And we're not talking a bitter cold front here. We're talking upper 40s to around 50 by Thursday morning, but clearing out, much drier air coming in. In fact, we're down to about 50 by 5 a.m. tomorrow morning. It's some upper 40s to bottom out your Thursday morning. It's going to be cooler tomorrow too. Now, we can't rule out a few high clouds across the area streaming in, but lots of sunshine, 60s for highs for your Thursday. And as we head into tomorrow night, we'll be back down in the 40s again for lows. So the trend is for cooler weather beginning now all the way into the weekend, even into the early part of next week. Nothing too terribly cold, but at least closer to normal, what it should be. In fact, by tomorrow night, already back down in the 50s and eventually dropping into the 40s. Marine forecast, pretty windy offshore, but the marine forecast will improve tomorrow as well with less winds. Tonight, rain ending, clearing, cooler, mid to upper 40s by daybreak in the lakes, upper 40s, near 50 in the triangle coming up for your Thursday morning. And a beautiful day coming up tomorrow. Just a lot of high clouds for your Thursday, upper 60s, maybe 70 for a high. 10-day forecast, well, chance of rain already back by Friday night. Now, as we head into Saturday, very good chance of rain. See that? Temperatures only in the 40s in the lakes for Saturday, 50s in the triangle with rain falling. Miserable day. That's why we got a gumbo weather warning in effect coming up for Saturday. We dry out Sunday, Monday. Chilly temperatures there. Notice on Tuesday, more rain. In fact, we're looking at an 80% coverage. Temperatures once again on Tuesday, 40s and 50s, with another 1 to 2 inches of rain coming up by Tuesday of next week. Then finally some drier weather Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Be sure to like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and for everything weather, radar, 10-day forecast, weather related, you name it, don't forget to go to 12newsnow.com.